testing the air raid sirens at the minute. Have a look at some cows. Well, they're testing the air raid sirens and disaster alert sirens today here in Germany. For the next half an hour or so they'll be going off. It looks like it's going to rain again. It's been pissing down all morning. No, the siren should be going back off again in a couple of seconds, and then it should realistically, I think, be the last one. But wait and see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the government here has also been trying to warn us about coming blackouts and all sorts of stuff. We had a storm here the other night where it knocked the electric off for about 20 minutes or so. It weren't that bad though, it was only a couple of minutes. But yeah, they keep talking about here disasters, blackouts, energy crisis, gas prices, electric prices, food prices, fuel prices. Fucking shit's gonna hit the fan soon enough, like. Anyway, I'll catch you all later on, folks. Take it easy, be good, stay safe.
Ich mag es nicht nass zu werden, aber ich finde es schön. Oh! 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 Nein!